भारत के सीडीएस विपिन रावत ने 27 अगस्त को एरोस्पेस और डिफेंस तकनीक पर संबोधन दिया। अपने संबोधन में उन्होंने कहा कि सेना को आधुनिक बनाने के दौर में देश करोड़ों में निवेश करेगा। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, एवियोनिक्स, नैनो तकनीक से सेना को अधिक मदद मिल सकती है। इस अवसर पर उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स क्षेत्र में मांग और सप्लाई के बीच की खाई को पाटने का भी आह्वान किया।
Behind how we address each of these potential new realities within 4 core mission areas, that is moving people and goods, creating, sensing and connecting, securing and defending our national interests, and finally research and exploration. The future of aerospace and defense industry will be shaped by a variety of technological, economic, social and regulatory trends, in addition to shifting industry dynamics. As technology advances across sensors, connectivity, processing power and artificial intelligence, new opportunities will emerge to introduce additional rigor, robustness and resilience to essential services. The Indian aerospace and defense industry is expected to consume electronics worth several thousands of crores of rupees in the next decade. As the country rapidly modernizes its military by embracing new technologies, and a large chunk of the electronics opportunity comes from large systems that have electronic components built in them as a solution. As was brought out by Mr. Ravi from Mahindra, he did mention that how the automobile industry is facing hardships because of the lack of indigenous chips that they are looking forward to. And I think if we can also step into this avenue, we will do well for ourselves. Despite India's information technology sector being globally recognized, the defense and aerospace industry has not been able to leverage this strength. The opportunity in electronics and aerospace and defense straddles both standalone systems and subsystems for other systems. This is not only a huge business opportunity for the industry, but also a window to significantly scale up the technological capabilities in the electronics industry. A huge defense portfolio is emerging in avionics, high power lasers, radars, computing and communication networks, nano devices, stents, high power electromagnetics, data, nitrogen systems and what have you. Miniaturization and micro miniaturization of systems is taking place, with nanotechnology coming in a big way both in terms of sensors and other systems. The India Electronics and Semiconductor Association and NASSCOM have also prepared the given policy recommendations to the Ministry of Defense on using the capabilities of the electronics industry. The demand for electronics is rising at a compounded annual rate of 25%, with the supply for electronic goods is rising by 16% a year. You can see there's a 9% gap between the demand and supply, which we have to catch up with. The Indian industry today is on the threshold of entering into a new era where it will assume greater responsibility in making the nation self-reliant in defense production. The resurgence of India's manufacturing sector has been remarkable. Not only are the profits soaring, the sector is also making its presence felt abroad, as many Indian firms are becoming transnational companies today. The Indian manufacturing sector is internationally competitive, and international quality standards, efficiency and manufacturing facilities exist within our ecosystem. India is fast developing into a manufacturing hub for world corporations wanting to leverage the sector's proven skills in production design, reconfiguration and customization with creativity, assured quality and value addition. India is also keen to strengthen its own aerospace industry and has asked major weapon exporting countries to transfer technology to India.